Hello, this is the last item I bought from Banggood. This item is for the bathroom, usually, in particular for the shower. I bought this one plus the cable. The cable is long, more or less 1.5 meters, more or less. It is in plastic and it is quite comfortable. The head, if we can call him as head, is again in plastic. It has some as a description in the description in the option is with some ionized balls, and it has 3 different way of working. We can see here maybe one with this switch, 1, 2 and 3. Basically we have 3 different way of working. We can see that there are some holes, here it is, some holes, and according to the switch, different holes are used. As example, we can start in this way, if I'm able, obviously. This is the first thing. So we have only in the middle, in this way. Okay? You can see in this way. As you can see, balls, water come from the tube, go into the head, the first part of balls, the second part, and then we have the water that is coming over from the head. Then if we change the switch, okay, we can do in the middle, and it changes in this way. So we have the circular hose that are working more the one in the middle, and in the end we have the other switch, and we have only the circular hose. Okay, well, for the price I paid this item that I remind, the head and the cable, okay, I paid, I was able to have them through this Snap app, so I paid, I think, more or less $4, and for the price that I paid for this kind of product, I think that was a very good deal. Honestly, I didn't try opening the head in order to bring over the balls, but if the quality of the rings of the ring, this one and this one, is the same as the tube, even if it is in plastic, is not metal or brass or something else, it's good. So I repeat, in my opinion, for the price I paid, this is a good deal. Nothing else. Thank you for watching.